Hey, welcome back. So I'm going to show you the seated cable row. So if you have a cable machine at your gym, that's totally great. And if you don't, this is also great. Just a handle with bands. Make sure it's heavy enough for your purpose. You can also use a continuous loop band. That's perfectly fine as well. So I'm going to have this band about chest height. And then I'm going to row, extend, row, extend. Notice that I'm not moving my torso forward and backward. Everything is very stable. My feet are in one spot on the ground, not moving, and I'm going to row. So what I don't want to see is you going way back here. It's not necessary and can eventually be problematic for your shoulders, so make sure you're just coming towards your sides, extend. Make sure that the band or cable is heavy enough so that the reps that I give you in your program, you're very challenged. The last 2 or 3 are great form, but wow, are they really hard. So that's what you need to know about the cable seated row. If you don't have a bench for some reason, you're welcome to sit on the floor, put your feet in front of you, and again, don't move your torso back and forth. I hope you like it. You're gonna grow a big back.